Consider the graph of y equals f of x. Both arcs have a radius of 4 units. We can see that on the diagram. Using the graph of y equals f of x for x greater than or equal to 0, evaluate exactly the following integrals. So we have the integral from 0 to 12 of f of x dx. So what we want is the area up to here. So I'm going to split that there, and then this square here is 6 times 6. And then I've got this little rectangle down here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2. Then I've got the quarter circle, which is going to be pi times 4 squared, but divide that by 4 because we've only got a quarter of a circle. And then finally I've got the triangle, which has a base of 2, height of 2, so that is 2 times 2 divided by 2. So that gives me 36 plus 8 plus 4 pi plus 2, which gives me 46 plus 4 pi. Then we want the integral from 0 to 18 of f of x dx. So once we get to the 12, we then have some area below that we need to cancel off. So I've got that little triangle there, which would be 2. This one is 4 times 2, so that's 8. And then that bit there is going to be 4 times 4, take away pi times 4 squared over 4. So altogether there, I have 26, and then that would be 4 pi. So we need to take that area away from the area we had before. So that's 46 plus 4 pi. Take away 26, take 4 pi, which is 46 plus 4 pi. Take away 26 plus 4 pi, giving me 20 plus 8 pi. Determine the value of the constant a such that the integral from 0 to a of f of x dx is equal to 0. There is no need to simplify your answer. So what we need to do is just sort of keep going along here until the areas cancel out. Let me just remove some of this. So we're going from 18 upwards. So basically, as we go along here, we have a rectangle. Let's suppose we go along b units. Then what we need is the area of the rectangle, which would be 6b, to be equal to 20 plus 8 pi. And then it will cancel out with the area that was above before. And, well, the area above, take away the area we just took away in the last part of the question, which was this bit here. This bit here. Okay, so that gives me b is equal to 20 plus 8 pi divided by 6, which is 10 plus 4 pi divided by 3. So b goes from there. So a is just going to be 18 plus b, which is 18 plus 10 plus 4 pi divided by 3. And that would be 54 on 3 plus 10 plus 4 pi on 3, which is 64 plus 4 pi divided by 3. The answer says 20 plus 8 pi over 6 plus 18, which is actually the same thing, and we could probably see that from there.